Hi, I'm Rufa May M. Tugu from BE 3D. My topic for today is about intellectual property rights on the development and use of digital materials. Outcomes. Number 1. Identify examples of intellectual property rights in educational setting. Number 2. Identify the copyright laws. Number 3. Cite its consequence when copyright laws were violated. Intellectual property right. Intellectual property protection is important in fostering innovation. Intellectual property, according to World Intellectual Property Organization or WIPO, refers to creation of minds such as invention, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, name and image used in commerce. Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines administers or IPOPIL and implements state policies in relation of intellectual property. Republic Act A293. This act defines intellectual property, includes copyright and related rights, trademarks and service marks, geographic indication, industrial designs, patents, layout designs of integrated circuits, and protection of disclosed information. Copyright refers to the legal rights given to the owner of the original works or intellectual property. These works are original intellectual creation in the literacy and artistic domain protected from the moment of their creation, in which include the following. Number 1. Books, pamphlets, articles, and other writings. Number 2. Periodicals and newspapers. 4. Lectures, sermons, address, dissertations preferred for oral delivery. Number 4. Letters. Dramatic or dramatical musical compositions, choreographic works, and entertainment in dance shows. Number 6. Musical composition with or without words. 7. Works of drawings, painting, architecture, sculpture, engraving, lithography, or other works of arts, models or designs for work of arts. 8. Original ornamental designs or model of articles of manufacture, whether or not registrable, of unindustrial designs and other works of applied arts. 9. Illustrations, maps, plans, sketches, charts, and three-dimensional works relative to geography, photography, architecture, and science. 10. Drawings or plastic works of a scientific or technical character. 11. Photographic works including produced by process analogs to photography, lantern slides. 12. Audiovisual works and cinematographic works and works produced by the process analogs to cinematography or any process of making audiovisual recording. 13. Pictorial illustrations and advertisement. 14. Computer programs. 15. Other literacy, scholarly, scientific, and artistic works. Copyright infringement. This is the use of works without asking permission, where the copyright holder has the exclusive right to produce, distribute, display, or perform the protected works or to make derivative works. Below are the guidelines on online use of copyright materials by Shamdino, Luther, and Russell 2012. Number 1. Contrary to popular opinion, all material on the intendment of copyright unless stated otherwise. Number 2. An email is an original work fixed in a tangible medium of expression that is covered by copyright. 3. Downloading an article from a newspaper's website, making copies and distributing them to your student prior to class discussion on the topic is permissible following the current photocopying guidelines, which making multiple copies for classroom use. You cannot post student essays or the works in the school website unless you have permission of the students and their parents or guardian. Number 5. Educators should treat copyrighted materials from the internet the same way that do not print formats. Plagiarism. According, plagiarism is an act of fraud that involves both stealing someone else's work and lying about it afterwards. Number 1. Turning someone else's work or as your own. Number 2. Copying words or ideas from someone else without giving credit. Number 3. Failing to put quotation in quotation marks. 4. Giving incorrect information about the source of quotation. 5. Changing words but copying the sentence structure of a source without giving credit. Number 6. Copying so many words or ideas from a source that it make up majority of your work whether you give credit or not. For images, videos, and music, the following are counted as plagiarism. Number 1. Copying media, especially image, from other websites to paste them into your own papers or websites. Number 2. Making a video using a footage from others' videos or using copyrighted music as a part of the soundtrack. Number 3. Performing another person's copyrighted music, example, playing a cover. Number 4. Composing a piece of music that borrows heavily from another composition. The difference between plagiarism and copyright infringements. Under plagiarism refers to copying the work of another and claiming of one's ideas without proper attribution. Violation of the rights of the copyright holder, ethical violation. Copying infringements, copying one's work without obtaining. Violation of the rights of the author, legal violation.